My video tutorial will provide you with detailed guidelines that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Word Counter Widget. Word Counter Widget is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that it can help you count the amount of any word in your page. But the problem is that this extension actually operates as adware. It displays the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. If this extension was installed, access the menu, More Tools, Extensions, disable and remove this extension from the Google Chrome browser. Finally, we recommend that you carefully investigate your device with Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus software. You may get it on this official resource, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start carefully investigating the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.